Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to share with you a wonderful hair spa recipe that you can easily do at home. It's very simple, very effective, and the best part is it uses natural, easily available ingredients. This homemade hair spa will not only nourish your hair, but will also add beauty, softness, and shine to your locks. Yes, you heard me right. This is a hair spa treatment that you can perform comfortably right at home using basic household products. You don't need to spend lots of money at the salon when you can achieve the same or even better results with this easy DIY hair spa. So let's get started step by step. The very first step is to sort your hair. Whether your hair is silky, fine, curly, or even if you feel like your hair doesn't really need it, you must take this step seriously. It's important to comb your hair gently and remove any tangles. Take your time with this. Comb your hair from the ends and slowly work your way up to avoid breakage. Make sure your hair is nicely detangled and smooth before moving to the next step. Now comes the step to dampen your hair. You need to wet your hair using lukewarm water. This is a crucial step because lukewarm water helps to open up the hair cuticles, which in turn allows the nutrients from the hair mask to penetrate deeply. If you don't have lukewarm water, you can also use normal water, but lukewarm is always better for better absorption. If you have a spray bottle, it's even easier. Just fill it up and spray your hair lightly, evenly covering all the strands. Do this gently and take your time. Let your hair feel relaxed and hydrated. After this, you can straighten your hair comfortably with your fingers or a wide tooth comb. Now gather your hair and make a loose ponytail. After that, gently roll your hair into a relaxed bun. This helps keep your hair manageable while you prepare the next step. To trap the moisture and heat, you will need a microfiber towel. If you don't have one, that's perfectly fine. You can also use any regular towel available at home. The key here is to dip the towel in lukewarm water, then wring it out properly so that it's damp but not dripping. Once the towel is ready, cover your hair with it. The purpose of this step is to create a warm environment that helps open your hair follicles. This will make your hair more receptive to the hair mask we'll apply later. Stay like this for 10 to 15 minutes. Just relax, maybe listen to your favorite music, or sip on some tea. This is your self-care time. After 15 minutes, remove the towel or shower cap, and you will feel that your hair has become soft and relaxed, almost as if it has taken a deep breath. Now it's time to prepare our amazing hair mask. This is the star of the hair spa, and it's going to deeply nourish and pamper your hair. The first ingredient we need is chia seeds. Chia seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition, not just for your body, but also for your hair. They help in adding a beautiful natural shine and softness. When applied to hair, they leave small granules, but don't worry, I'll show you how to handle that later. I I have soaked 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in a bowl of water. Let them sit for 15 to 20 minutes until they absorb the water and swell up beautifully. This creates a gel-like texture that's perfect for hair. Next, you need 1 banana. If your hair is longer or thicker, you can use more bananas as needed. Bananas are magical for hair care. They provide shine, help in controlling dandruff, deeply moisturize the scalp, and soften dry, brittle hair. They also protect the natural elasticity of the hair, which reduces breakage and split ends. Now take the soaked chia seeds and the banana and grind them together. Blend until you get a smooth, creamy texture, almost like a smoothie. This is going to be the base of our nourishing hair mask. The next ingredient is curd, yogurt. Curd is well known for its soothing and cooling effects. It takes care of the scalp by fighting off any infections, bacteria, or dryness that might be causing irritation. Add 2 tablespoons of curd to the mixture. Curd also promotes healthy hair growth, strengthens the hair from the roots, and reduces hair fall. Now take this blended mixture into a bowl. You will see that it has formed a thick smoothie-like consistency. If you feel it's too thick, you can add a little water to make it a smooth, spreadable paste. To avoid the issue of chia seed granules sticking in the hair, you can filter the mixture using a fine sieve or cloth. And there you have it, a beautiful, nutrient-rich hair mask ready to use. For the application, divide your hair into sections. This is important because you want to make sure the mask reaches every part of your scalp and hair, from roots to tips. Apply the mask generously. Don't be stingy. Give your hair all the love and nourishment it deserves. Once applied, cover your hair again with a shower cap or plastic wrap. This is important because bananas tend to dry quickly when exposed to air, and we don't want the mask to dry out too fast. We want to leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes so that the scalp and hair get the full benefit of all the nutrients. This is the time your hair soaks up all the goodness, moisture, vitamins, minerals, and shine. So just relax during this time. Read a book, watch something you love, or just unwind. After the time is up, it's time to wash your hair. Use a mild shampoo nothing too harsh or full of chemicals. After shampooing, you may still notice a few tiny granules from the chia seeds, but don't worry, that's completely normal. Let your hair dry naturally. Avoid using blow dryers or heat styling tools, because they can strip the hair of the moisture we just added. If you want to detangle your hair while it's still damp, use a broad tooth comb. This is gentle on the hair. As your hair dries, some of the chia seed residue may fall off. Once your hair is completely dry, simply comb through it once and all the leftover granules will fall off easily, leaving your hair fresh, shiny, and smooth. And that's it! Your beautiful, nourishing hair spa is complete. You can do this treatment once a month to keep your hair healthy, shiny, and full of life. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty tips. Take care and see you next time.